Hello, my name is Waisad Amadi, Period 5, Sports and Entertainment Marketing and Management, and today I will be presenting on behalf of my group for our venue reuse project. And the partners in my group are Ariel Vargas, Sarah Aburab, Weiss Edamadi, also known as me, and Ava Steele. Alright, the background. So, our Music Makers camp event has a main focus on teaching kids all genres of music while being able to connect and have fun with one another. And down here are the some of the dates of everything and some of the events, price, transportation, and charities, sponsor, all that good stuff. Here's the background information on the venue, which opened July 11th, 1922. Generally, the tickets would range from more than $100+, and it's one of the largest natural amphitheaters in the world with a seating capacity of nearly 18,000. And quick fact, throughout history, iconic entertainers like Judy Garland, Ella Fitzgerald, Bob Dylan, The Beatles, Jimi Hendrix, Elton John, Cher, Prince, Alicia Keys, Kanye West, and Lady Gaga have performed there a lot. So a lot of big names, definitely. And the economic impact, it will create 759,000 jobs. And Southern California was a total output of more than 190 billion in 2015. Total labor income came to a total of around 57 billion, which could really economically help a lot of people and just in general. Here are some other regional economic impact, some COVID economical impact, and here's just the summary of that slide. Alright, so the charitable organization we decided was St. Jude's. St. Jude's is a research hospital for children, and their mission statement is, the mission of St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital is to advance cures and means of prevention for pediatric catastrophic diseases through research and treatment. Consistent with the vision of our founder, Danny Thomas, no child is denied treatment based on race, religion, or a family's ability to pay. And the purpose is that St. Jude is a children's hospital and they work hard to raise money for their patients. We will be donating 15% of our revenue to St. Jude for them to keep working hard and helping these little warriors to keep fighting. We think it will be successful for us to partner with St. Jude because parents with children will be more inclined to send their kids to a music camp if some of the profits go to a good cause. And here's our target market for the music camp. Demographic, age range 8 to 15, race any, obviously doesn't matter what race, religion, anything, ethnicity, it really doesn't matter about anything. We just want kids to have a fun environment, to learn how to play music, sing, all that good stuff. Education, elementary to high school. Income for the parents between $40,500 to $122,000. Geographic is the country United States, Canada, and 42 overseas. Population 7,500 patients annually. Psychographic, the values, self-care and relationships. Social class, middle. Lifestyle, activities, interest in music would be a key. And interested in being a part of a good cause, very important as well. The benefit, the connectivity of children from different places, raising more awareness. Children have the opportunity to learn how to play music. Market segment influence, here are the 4 P's and what each of them are for. Let's go through it all here. Social organization, the International Wine and Food Society, and the International Wine and Food Society in Hollywood. Mission statement is right here. The object of the society is to bring together and serve all who believe that a right understanding of good food and wine is an essential part of personal contentment and health, and that an intelligent approach to the pleasures and problems of the table offers for greater rewards than the mere satisfaction of appetite. Purpose: a partnership between the International Wine and Food Society and us would not only benefit the parents/loved ones of the camp students by providing them with a stress-free sip and pain night, but also benefit the kids of St. Jude's Hospital. Wine and Sip will be a successful component to our camp's itinerary because of the idea of connectivity for not only the kids but their parents as well. Here are the target markets, demographic, age range 30 to 50. Race Caucasian, education bachelor's degree, income between $106,827 to $373,894. Geographic country should be United States and Canada. Climate Mediterranean. Population 4 million. Psychographic values, they should here's some of the values should be food, wine, and education. Social class would be upper. Lifestyle is travel and leisure. Benefit is leisure activity for parents, raise money for St. Jude's Hospital, and brings recognition. Here are the 4 Ps and some of the information about them. Generated revenue for the entire event. Ticket cost for music camp, $580 per child. Ticket cost for paint and sip, $250 per adult. Merch table will be out for the entirety of the event, which is $19.99 per t-shirt. Concessions and food stands will be up during the paint and sip day. Parents have the option to sign up kids for a meal plan or to provide a packed lunch. 3 meals a day times 5, so $200 per child. 1 meal a day times 5, $70 per child. So those are the options. Donations to St. Jude's, 20% of $250 per adult. Personal earning from paint and sip, $200 per adult. Camp Day 1. So here is the information about Camp Day 1. We just to go over the general of it, we meet with the camp counselors, introduce yourselves and meet your peers, create a personalized rock star guitar, and end the day with a bonfire and s'mores featuring a guest guitarist. Camp Day 2, a little more of the general stuff, is that students will form into groups of 5 to start brainstorming song ideas, lyrics, and what instruments they will need. They will then regroup as a whole to decorate their own instrument. And in the end of the day, they're going to be playing intense games of freeze dance and musical limbo. Groups will work with their counselors to begin the song creating process on day 3. This is really when we start getting into the main stuff. So basically, when they get together with their counselor and they begin creating doing the song process, they will perform the song in front of their counselor for approval, regroup as a whole and talk/discuss your songs, play a game of musical volleyball, and then a bonfire with s'mores and end of day song. Camp Day 4 is the final day of practicing and rehearsing for the song. The final confirmation and lyrics of songs will be submitted. And then there will be a 20-minute group rehearsal to practice and perform on stage, and stuffed animal audience will be inserted to make the kids feel like they're actually performing for people. And the parents will also be able to watch their kids perform. And then they get to regroup to play musical relay. And that is the end of the camp. Now, Paint and Sip Day 6. This is for Paint and Sip, Day 6 of that. Donation Day. Adults can have a relaxing day of painting and sipping on some wine. Entrance fee of $250 per person. Open bar provided by the International Food and Wine Society organization. A portion of the revenue, obviously, from the ticket sales will go to St. Jude's as well as the donations made during the day. There will be a brief video/speaker explaining the St. Jude organization and why donations are important. Donations can be made throughout the day. There will be incentives to get more people to donate to get bigger donations. And here are our advertisements and conclusion. So in conclusion, a good opportunity to get substantial donations to St. Jude creates a fun music learning experience for the kids in Southern California. It has an opportunity for a nice event and a concert or show to be held at the Hollywood Bowl. And the International Wine and Food Organization sponsorship for Paint and Sip Night will direct good representation and positive feedback towards the organization. Gives the community a chance to come together and enjoy a relaxing and fun night, kid-free, for the paint and sip, obviously. Gives parents an opportunity to experience free time while they keep their kids occupied with a fun music and just awesome fun camp. And here are our citations. And thank you for listening to this project, and have a good rest of your day. All right, cool.